Hey guys, so in this video I am talking to you guys about rice water rinsing. I'm super excited because I just discovered this, so it's new to me. Might be old to you, but it's new to me. So what is rice water rinsing? Basically, you're taking rice, soaking it in water, you're gonna get this milky substance and you're gonna rinse your hair with it. Now this came from the Ya woman tribe in China. They've been doing this for hundreds and hundreds of years, and their hair is like 6 feet long, y'all. It's down to their ankles. It's down to their ankles. It makes no sense, but this is how they wash their hair. So as a chemist, I look at everything from a chemical perspective, and as I was looking at rice water, I saw 3 interesting things about rice water that I didn't even know was in rice, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like if this is in here, like what else is in somewhere else, you know? So anyway, let's get started. All right guys, the first thing I discovered is that rice water is actually a natural conditioner. Like it's legit is a conditioner. How is it a conditioner, Tanya? I will tell you. Number 1, it has choline in it, and then it has starch. Now starch is a polysaccharide. It is a natural conditioner, believe it or not. Choline is a quaternary ammonium salt, meaning is a cationic molecule, aka a positive molecule. So our hair is negatively charged, positive and negative, even in hair care, guys, opposites do attract. So what happens is that our hair becomes more manageable because of the choline. It becomes more slippery and, you know, reduces surface friction, able to detangle easily and manageable because of the starch. So together, these two actually work together to create this really dope conditioner with rice water, which explains why women are saying my hair is shinier, it's softer, it feels great, it's flawless, it's wonderful. It's because of these 2 awesome chemicals that are in rice water. Thirdly and lastly is that inositol is a molecule in rice water. It is actually a growth receptor. Like, who knew? Like, rice water has molecules in it that activate hair growth. Super dope. So this explains why so many women are saying like, oh, I've been using rice water for X amount of months and my hair is growing. I see an increase in hair growth because inositol helps to promote hair growth. So that's my quick little spiel, guys, on rice water, and I'm finding it really interesting because even when I did my rice water rinse, which I did not rinse off, by the way, am I supposed to rinse it off? Because I didn't. But when I did it, guys, my hair was shinier, my hair was much smoother, my curls were defined. Honestly, I could see rice water, if you don't mind the smell. Mine didn't smell so bad, maybe because I used jasmine rice. I don't know, but it didn't smell bad there. So I can see this being like a nice leave-in spritz, if you don't mind the scent, but you know, that's what I did. So, but anyway, I love you guys. Hope this video was helpful. My next video, I can't announce it yet, because it's gonna be so super, it's gonna be so good. But make sure that you are subscribed and your notifications are on so you can be notified when I post the next video. And thank you so much for liking this video, thumbs upping this video, and commenting. And thank you to everyone who's been signing up on my email launch website link, because I'm about to launch a super dope website, and I'm so super excited, as you guys can tell, because I'm talking super fast right now. But thank you for signing up, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to do so. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon, okay? Bye! Also, just a quick disclaimer, my shirt doesn't just say fearfully. It says fearfully and wonderfully made. Oh yeah.